Here is a simple practice that you can do to assist in moving the thoughts and the mind chatter to bring you back to the present moment. To start, we will take 3 deep breaths. So begin by breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. And one more time, in through the nose and out through the mouth. So you can picture being in the present moment as a clear blue sky. And as thoughts start to wander in through your mind, you can picture each thought as a white fluffy cloud. And you can observe this thought without any judgment, and you may wish to observe it for what it is, just a thought that is not actually part of your core essence. And then we can whisk it away like the wind blowing the clouds through the sky. Now, this is a practice you can do throughout your day to bring you back to the present moment. You can take a quiet pause, come back to your breath, picture the clear blue sky, observe the thoughts as clouds, and move them away.